Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. We all know that the Chinese economy is slowing and slowing very fast. This reason for slowing is, of course, the zero COVID policy of the Chinese government, especially Xi Jinping. This meant that the Chinese government does not want its people to live with COVID. So it has decided that it will clamp down areas wherever there is an outbreak of COVID. So there have been rolling lockdowns in various important commercial centers of China. Shanghai has been locked down for a long time, and whenever it opens, another area gets into a COVID area, and that is locked down. And this has been continuing forever. So parts of the Chinese economy have been shut down for a long time. This has meant that Chinese factories are not working, and there is a serious trouble. In fact, Tesla's factory in China could not deliver because one of its suppliers got stuck in the COVID jam. All this has meant that people's livelihood has been badly affected and they have not been earning money. The Chinese economy has been supported for last 2 decades by a red hot property market. This property market has been building cities in middle of nowhere, and most of it are ghost towns. And as anybody who understands real estate, you need loans to grow fast. You need loans to buy land, supply and material, and to construct a house. And the user also needs a house, needs finance to buy a house. The Chinese real estate developers operate on a pre-sales model. That is, the property is sold even before the flats are converted. Therefore, the risk of construction and the risk of delay is shifted to the middle class. Ever since COVID has happened, this means that prices of real estate has cooled and there have been supply chain issues. The real estate companies are very happy to shift the risk to the middle class people. That is, people sign up to buy a house and start paying an EMI, and the construction company gets the entire money up front. This has meant that the construction companies have cash flow and risk capital. The risk has been transferred to the middle class buyer. Because of COVID and the lockdown policies forwarded by Xi Jinping, there have been two things. Home buyers are unable to pay the fair share of EMIs, and two, the real estate builders have not been able to deliver flats on time. This is a double whammy. Well, going was good and things were great. Then people could keep rolling over one payment after the other, and the builders could use finance from one project to finance the other project. The real estate companies were already over leveraged, and this was the last straw on the camel's back. When demand has cooled and people are not willing to buy real estate, and since August 2020, the Central Bank of China decided to clamp down and tighten the supply of money to huge developers. This meant that developers became more dependent on mortgage buyers. But the mortgage buyers have stopped payments and started to boycott the mortgage payments in houses where it's not complete in spite of several delays. This has put already over debt-laden real estate developers into trouble. A large group declared a 70% loss of profit in the first quarter, in the first half of the year, starting from Jan to June. This clearly indicates that the pain felt by the real estate sector after the collapse of a high-risk developer, Evergrande, is now spreading to various other sectors, various other companies and developers inside the Chinese economy. This non-payment of mortgages is adding pressure to these people. The Central Bank of China has decided that this cannot go on and has already cut the central mortgage rates twice this year. They have also cut it once more recently in the hope that lower mortgages will enthuse more buyers to come. But this has not happened because there is no uptick in prices of homes after the crash in COVID. That is, homes are available for less than what they would before COVID. Therefore, no new home buyers are willing to buy even with 2 rate cuts announced by the Chinese government, central bank. It is not only mortgage rates that have been cut, even loan rates where the central bank lends to other banks has been brought down to 3.5 to 3.75 in the hope that more corporates would take loans and the economy would revive. This has meant that except one main Hong Kong property index, the broader property index has shown no movement. This means in spite of the rate cuts made by the central bank, nobody is willing to buy houses and developers are struggling with cash flow since they are unable to build complexes for which money has been already collected, and the money which was collected has been diverted to other projects. This was a classic Ponzi scheme backed by the state. The state had not regulated this sector while the going was good and now is forced to pay attention to it. The central government of China announced a $11.8 billion aid so that these troubled developers could access this money and get out of trouble. But continuously falling sales on one side and delay in supply chains because of the pandemic is affecting these developers. And thus China's grand bed vision of a debt binge building mania has come to an end because simply people don't want to put money on an asset which does not go up in value. Thank you for watching. Be rich. If you like this content, kindly hit the like button and press the subscribe button of my channel. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Kindly turn on the bell notification. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich. I am visiting the historic town of Trichy on the 27th of August. We are planning to hold a meeting in Trichy where I get to meet my subscribers and people who follow me on social media. This will be a live interaction with my friends, followers and subscribers of my channel. It is very interesting. We have had several events in various small towns of Tamil Nadu. If you wish to participate in that event, a WhatsApp number is given below. You may contact us on that WhatsApp number, or you could drop an email to the address given below. My team will respond to you. I hope to see you in Trichy on the 27th of August at 6 p.m. Thank you for supporting Be Rich. Good evening. It was decided to do an event in Dubai on the 23rd of September. It was a Friday. By popular demand, we have shifted this event to 24th September, the Saturday, so that it would be convenient for you people to attend. So I'll be in Dubai on the 24th of September at 6 p.m. Hope to see you in Dubai. Those desirous of participating in the Dubai event can contact us at the WhatsApp number given below or mail to the email ID given below. We will see you in Dubai. Kindly drop us an email or send a message on the WhatsApp number. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.